Welcome back, and it's time now for our top news stories from overseas.
A U.S. submarine sank an Iranian warship in the Indian Ocean as Washington and Israel intensified their bombardment of Iran's security forces and other symbols of power. Iran launched more missiles and drones as it warned of the destruction of military and economic infrastructure across the Middle East. The tempo of the strikes on Iran was so intense that state television announced the postponement of the morning ceremony for Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, who was killed at the start of the conflict. The U.S. and Israel launched the war on Saturday, targeting Iran's leadership, missile arsenal, and nuclear program, while suggesting that toppling the government is a goal. But the exact aims and timelines have repeatedly shifted, signaling an open-ended conflict. And Libyan port officials have said a Russian liquefied natural gas LNG tanker has sunk in the Mediterranean between Libya and Malta after it was hit by explosions and a fire. Russia accused Ukraine of targeting the Arctic metagas with uncrewed sea drones launched from the Libyan coast. Ukraine's SBU State Security Service has not commented on the allegation, and the Libyan port authority said the cause of the fire was unclear. The Libyans said the tanker was carrying about 62,000 tons of LNG before the blasts, and that it sank about 130 nautical miles north of the Libyan port of Sirte. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinski Robinson.